Good morning, ma'am and everyone. My name is Makiling, and I am going to show you on how to prepare vegetables. First step, you must wash your hands so it's clean. Second step, we must wash the vegetables and then put it in the colander for it to dry. Step 3, you must dry off the vegetable using a dry paper towel. Now for the carrots, we must wash them with water. And then you use the colander for it to dry off. For the stem vegetables, you must wash the vegetable and never forget to remove its roots. Step 4. After finishing washing your vegetables, you must put it in the refrigerator.
Thank you for watching, Ma'am Carbal. We love you.